In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta AI on WhatsApp, a quick and easy process that we'll walk through in just about 5 minutes. Meta AI is a useful tool that can enhance your WhatsApp experience by providing AI-driven insights directly within your chats. To get started, first, ensure that WhatsApp on your phone is updated to the latest version. This is important because newer versions often contain crucial updates that support features like Meta AI. So before anything else, head over to your App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, and check for updates. Once updated, you're ready to move on to the next step. Next, you're going to open WhatsApp on either the desktop or web version. It's essential to link it with your phone, a simple step involving scanning the QR code shown on your computer screen with your phone. This will sync your chats to the desktop or web version, where Meta AI can be accessed easily. This linking process is quite straightforward. Just open WhatsApp on your phone, tap on the 3 dots to access the settings, and select Linked Devices to complete the connection. Now, once your devices are connected and you're on the WhatsApp desktop or web version, look at the left sidebar. Here, you should see a Meta AI icon. Go ahead and click that icon to initiate its features. This icon is your gateway to interacting with the AI tool and getting responses in real time. When you click on the Meta AI icon, you're able to type in any question or prompt that you have. It could be something as simple as asking for information about a topic or more complex queries requiring detailed responses. Once you've typed in your question, all you have to do is press enter. Almost instantly, Meta AI will provide you with a response. This interaction is seamless and aims to make gathering information quicker and more efficient within your existing communication environment. Lastly, if you're in a group chat and find that you want to use Meta AI there, all you need to do is type @MetaAI followed by your prompt. For instance, if you want to get AI's take on the weather or need quick facts during a discussion, simply tagging Meta AI ensures that you're getting smart responses right in the flow of your group conversation. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to integrate and use Meta AI during your everyday conversations on WhatsApp, making your chats more interactive and informative. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting with Meta AI.